it don't work out, then you gotta keep rubbing on it. Anyway, what I was saying was, if it don't work out, then you gotta go scooping, man. Anyway, yeah, hey, it's Wednesday. What are you guys doing? Drive time! No, I'm just teasing. But yeah, you guys wanna go scrapping? We'll do that here in a little bit. Probably. I don't know. Anyway. Drive time. No, I'm just teasing. Let's go scrapping. You want to do some scrapping? We do a little scrapping. Like a glove. But what is a glove without a spongy? Scoops. What's that? What's that? I don't know. We'll throw it in the wagon. Do it that way then. Find where we're gonna grab. Now you're hooked. Scoops. What's that? What's that? It's a really old vacuum cleaner. Ooh, it's windy. Yeah, it's a mite bit gusty out there today. Hey, even Pops was telling me, you're filming too much. To take the camera out of the window, or something like that. I didn't precisely register what all he was saying, but anyway. What I was about to be saying was that you would think with as big and fancy and nice as these houses are, they would have better carpet cleaning implements than something such as what we just picked up there, but I don't know. Anyway, I took the phone out of the camera, or the phone, or whatever you call it there. I took it out of the window. So now you're just staring at the steering wheel. How's that suit you? What's that? What's that? What's that? What's that? Let's get it. Say, hey, bike. I don't see no mics. Something like that. They're just huffies. General run-of-the-mill scrap on wheels. This one might not be. I don't know. I have no idea. But it's Wednesday and we're putting things in the wagon. Come on, say it with me one more time. Say wagon. What's that? Do you think they're still using it? Could be. Uncomfortably. But they could be. Scoops. What's that? I don't know. But we'll do a little picking. You want to do a little picking? It's not helium steel, but it's not quite heavy either. I don't know. Winter boots. $1986 is calling. They want their dining chairs back. Actually in pretty good shape. Well, they were. And then we found them. What's that, Coleman? Sleeping bag? What it looks like. Next we'll find 2 washing machines, and we won't have nowhere to put them. all that Kodak-y stuff. Timers? I don't know. What else you got? Lots of old filming things. Is that nothing really on it? Possibly. Mystery tote. I'll take a good mystery tote. What's that? I don't know. It looks vintage. Old. Whatever you call it. Take that one. Buckets are always nice. Backseat material. We're flying solo today, in case you couldn't tell. Is this a canopy? I think this might be a canopy thing. I'll take that too. We're cleaning up here, huh? What's in that basket? Nothing. Something with a cord. More tails. Nothing we want. What's in the bags? Poking holes. Cassette tape. And camera case. Pipe snake. We can take a pipe snake. This one feels heavy. Paperwork. One more. Nothing. Okay. That was a decent little stop. Spongy. There we go. That might keep them in the wagon. I said wagon. It's February. This guy's over here mowing his lawn. It's February. February. It's one of those words. Oh snap, it's drive time. Oh snap, it's bread and butter. Say it, say bread, 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 butter, 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 bread, 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 butter, 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 butter. Do you want to wait in the wagon? I said wagon. Or do you want to jump out with me and get the bread, 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 butter, 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 butter? Let's anti-zoom you. We'll strap you up here. Come with me, little one. Let's see. What if we did this? We have a little extra room back here. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Bread, 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 butter, butter, butter. I think it's gonna rain. I don't know what this thing is, but maybe it shouldn't get wet. What do you guys think? Do you think it looks submergible? Does it appear to be aquatic? Does it look like a bob? I miss Bob. And we're back. And we gotta kick the rock. This wind is working against my swingy gate type action. Alright. Hang on to it, Larry. Go magic light. There we go. Let's see. Well, this is what we grabbed, so this is what we got. Tymo light. Tymo light master. We have a Tymo light, and then we have a Tymo light master. And a Walkman, a GE Walkman, and a staple gun, and some chalk pastels, and a Beatles zippy pencil bag thing. Hold on here. Trying to unzip this. Working with one hand. The pencil bag contains pencils. Go figure. What's that? That's not a pencil. That's a screwdriver. Anyway, and then we have a Yashica. Yashica TR7000 multi-program by Kyocera. Human body. Pocket guide to mixing color. They were into pictures and painting, apparently. I took a sneak peek on this thing. That's one of these guys.
It's a big zoom-nocular deal. Lens made in Japan, patent pending. I don't know what kind of lens it is. It's a lens. You think it fits the Yashica? Yashica. I don't know. Might be worth a couple of dollars here. I wonder what we left there. I can't get that button back. And then I got a basket and a couple of, I think those were just empty bins. I believe so. Did one have something in it? No, they were all empties. If I can keep from breaking them. You guys remember when it was like 65 degrees at night in February? Mystery bin. Ooh, look. We can go ahead and retire. It's an $8,000 bin. We got jumbo reclosable freezer bags. These are handy, I guess. Oven mitt. A satchel. This satchel's got something in it. Peak outdoor. Is it cookware? Yep. Looks like it ain't never been used. Alright. Anyway. And some wet ones, probably some dry ones at this point. Canteen with no lid. Some matches. Griddle. Is that a griddle? What would you consider that? Some plastic bowls. Some paper plates. Coffee filters. More matches. Brand new thing of plastic cups. Open plastic cups. Plastic mug. Nice big Weber mitt. Forks, spoons, and knives. Hey, we got some, oh, these are toe warmers. What? I never heard of toe warmers. I've heard of hand warmers. Hey, look. Dawn, that's worth a couple of bucks there. Another oven mitt. How the hell do you work this? Oh, yeah, it works. Brand new batteries. Thing of silverware. Campbell Hausfeld inflator. I like to keep these guys in my wagon. Tent dust whisk dust thing. It's a thing. Coleman lantern wiki things. Couple of flashlights. They don't seem to work, but we can try out them new batteries there. Looks like some type of patch kit. Uno and a deck of cards. Oh, and a little match holder case thing, waterproof match case. And some Tabasco. Anyway, this is a decent little mystery bin. It's the campy stuff. I got a little bit of campy stuff. I'll make a campy lot here eventually. You got these two guys that came out of that locker. They're like camping waffle maker things or something. You get the munchies and then you make some waffles. Do you see all them empties? Woo-wee. Anyway. I don't know what that is. I think that might be more of a serving tray than a campy cookie thing. I'm not sure. Yeah, I know. I should quit, right? Actually starting to feel a little bit better. That was a hell of a bug. Hell of a bug, I tell you. I'll let the missus dig through the bucket here. She can have the final say. Anyway, later.
A little slow tonight, isn't it?